Assalamu alaikum. Today we will study 70 English MCQs used in PPSC, NTS, FPSC, KPSC, OTC, etc. and many other job tests. आज हम 70 English MCQs पढ़ेंगे. The first one is synonym of arrogant is. The options are A. Conceited, B. Humble, C. Progressive, D. Noble. And the answer is answer A. Conceited. Synonym of alert is. Options are A. Intelligent, B. Energetic, C. Observant, D. Watchful. Synonym of alert is. The answer is D. Watchful. Alert synonym watchful. Synonym of enigma is A. Question, B. Puzzle, C. Answer, D. Content. Enigma. The answer is synonym of enigma is puzzle, B. Answer B. Puzzle. The synonym of accelerate is A. Impede, B. Increase the speed, C. To surpass, D. None of these. The answer is B. Increase the speed. Please subscribe my channel, like the video if you people are liking it. मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अगर वीडियो को आप इंजॉय कर रहे हैं तो लाइक कीजिएगा, कमेंट कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा. सिनोनिम ऑफ incredulous is A. Dishonest, B. Honest, C. Reliable, D. Unreliable. The answer is synonym of incredulous is D. Unreliable. The synonym of acclamation is option A. Appointment, option B. Enthusiastic approval, option C. Harmony of feeling, option D. None of these. And the answer is enthusiastic approval, B. Synonym of emaciated, A. Very fat, B. Very thin, C. Very small, D. Very heavy. The correct answer is B. Very thin. The synonym of acerbic is option A. Weak, B. Bitter, C. Calm, D. None of these. The synonym of acerbic is. The answer is B. Bitter. Synonym of delegate is A. Representative, B. Officer, C. Member, D. Servant. Synonym of delegate is. The correct answer is A. Representative. The synonym of acrimonious is A. Cheap, B. Bitter, C. Volatile, D. None of these. The synonym of acrimonious is. The correct answer is B. Bitter. Synonym of precarious is A. Safe, B. Brittle, C. Perilous, D. None of these. The synonym of precarious is. The correct answer is C. Perilous. The synonym of corpulent is A. Lean, B. Gaunt, C. Obese. None of these. The correct answer of the synonym of corpulent is C. Obese. The synonym of embezzle is A. Clear, B. Balance, C. Misappropriate, D. None of these. The correct answer of the synonym of embezzle is C. Misappropriate. Synonym of valor is A. Stable, B. Coward, C. Heroism, D. Fear. And the correct answer of the synonym of valor is C. Heroism. The synonym of condone is A. Accept, B. Acceptable, C. Condemn, D. Condemn. The answer is A. Accept. The synonym of canny is A. Clever, B. Handsome, C. Obstinate, D. None of these. The correct answer of the synonym of canny is A. Clever. The synonym of adversity is A. Failure, B. Helplessness, C. Misfortune, D. None of these. And the correct answer of the synonym of adversity is C. Misfortune. Synonym of cordial is A. Unpleasant, B. Pleasant, C. Hot, D. Love. The correct answer of the synonym of cordial is answer B. Pleasant. Synonym of triumph is A. Victory, B. Victim, C. Violence, D. President. Synonym of triumph is A. Victory. Synonym of cajole is A. Satiate, B. Embezzle, C. Knowledge, D. Flattery. And the correct answer of the synonym of cajole is D. Flattery. The synonym of catastrophe is A. Built, B. Implement, C. Destruction, D. Fresh. And the correct answer of the synonym of catastrophe is answer C. Destruction. Synonym of accolade is A. Balcony, B. Outer garment, C. Drink, D. Honor. And the correct answer of the synonym of accolade is D. Honor. ACCOLADE. Honor. Synonym of castigate is A. Neuter, B. Punish, C. Banish, D. Celebrate. And the correct answer is B. Punish. Synonym of castigate is punish. Synonym of garrulous is A. Affable, B. Noisy, C. Quarrelsome, D. Talkative. And the correct answer is D. Talkative. Synonym of garrulous is D. Talkative. Synonym of indigenous. Indigenous is A. Wealthy, B. Stomach trouble, C. Native, D. Scholarly. And the correct answer is C. Native. Synonym of indigenous is native. Most important and repeated antonyms in PPSC and NTS papers. Antonym of artificial is A. Red, B. Solid, C. Truthful, D. Natural. And the correct antonym of artificial is natural. The answer is D. Natural. Antonym of dexterous is A. Inexpert, B. Acute, C. Active, D. Able. And the correct antonym of dexterous is inexpert. The answer is A. Inexpert. Antonym of curtail is A. Cramp, B. Prolong, C. Chop, D. Clip. And the correct antonym of curtail is prolong. The answer is B. Prolong. Antonym of deviant is A. Bent, B. Devious, C. Regular, D. Atypical. And the correct antonym of deviant is C. Regular. The answer is regular. Antonym of frivolous is A. Trivial, B. Silly, C. Petty, D. Wise. Antonym of frivolous is D. Wise. Antonym of ductile is A. Docile, B. Pliable, C. Stiff, D. Supple. And the correct antonym of ductile is stiff. The answer is C. Stiff. Antonym of foremost is A. Unimportant, B. Hindmost, C. Disposed, D. Mature. And the correct antonym of foremost is unimportant. Antonym of lucid is A. Evident, B. Obvious, C. Explicit, D. Vague. And the correct antonym of lucid is D. Vague. Vague. The antonym of stale is A. Old, B. Fresh, C. Stale, D. Break. And the correct antonym of stale is fresh. The answer is B. Fresh. Antonym of stale is fresh. Antonym of harmonious is A. Peaceful, B. Hostile, C. Dominant, D. Tuneful. And the correct antonym of harmonious is hostile. The answer is B. Hostile. Antonym of pacific is A. Aggressive, B. Peaceful, C. Hawkish, D. Discordant. And the correct antonym of pacific is aggressive. The answer is A. Aggressive. Antonym of brazen is A. Bashful, B. Boisterous, C. Noisy, D. Heated. And the correct antonym of brazen is bashful. The answer is A. Bashful. Antonym of penurious is A. Generous, B. Lenient, C. Injurious, D. Relaxed. The correct antonym of penurious is generous. Antonym of earnest is A. Cheap, B. frivolous, C. released, D. civilized. The correct antonym of earnest is B. frivolous. Antonym of pessimistic is A. devoted, B. cheat, C. despondent, D. hopeful. And the correct antonym of pessimist is hopeful. Antonym of lenient is A. easy going, B. long suffering, C. strict, D. liberal. The correct antonym of lenient is strict. Antonym of credulous is A. respectful, B. hardworking, C. skeptical, D. frugal. And the correct antonym of credulous is C. skeptical. Antonym of deviant is A. bent, B. devious, C. regular, D. atypical. And the correct antonym of deviant is C. regular. Antonym of inordinate is A. design, B. wasteful, C. wanton, D. moderate. The correct antonym of inordinate is moderate. The answer is D. moderate. Antonym of elastic is A. yielding, B. rigid, C. moldable, D. supple. And the correct antonym of elastic is rigid. B. rigid. The answer is B. rigid. Now we will talk about prepositions. The jug is full dash milk. A. of, B. about, C. by, D. with. And the answer is the jug is full of milk. The answer is A. The jug is full of milk. What is the cause dash the problem? Of the problem, cause of the problem, cause on the problem, cause about, cause in. And the answer is cause of the problem. What is the cause of the problem? She cares dash her children. Cares of, cares in, cares about, cares on. And the correct answer is she cares about her children. She cares about her children. Ali is interested dash science. Interested of, interested in, interested about, interested on. The correct answer is Ali is interested in science. Ali is interested in science. We arrived dash airport an hour ago. Arrived of, arrived in, arrived about, arrived at. The correct answer is we arrived at airport an hour ago. Arrived at. I am worried dash the students. Worried in, worried about, worried on, worried of. The correct answer is I am worried about the students. She is afraid dash spiders. Afraid from, afraid in, afraid about, afraid of. The correct answer is she is afraid of spiders. She is afraid of spiders. He writes dash ink. With ink, in ink, for ink, on ink. And the correct answer is she writes in ink. She writes in ink. He belongs dash a noble family. Belongs with, belongs to, belongs among, belongs in. The correct answer is he belongs to a noble family. He belongs to a noble family. We are accountable dash God for our actions. Accountable with, accountable on, accountable in, accountable to. And the answer is we are accountable to God for our actions. She is angry dash you, angry on you, angry for you, angry with you, angry to you. And the answer is she is angry with you. She is angry with you. I have been working here dash 10 years. From 10 years, since 10 years, for 10 years, with 10 years. And the answer is I have been working here for 10 years. The answer is C, for. I have been working here for 10 years. I don't want to argue dash you. Argue at you, argue to you, of you, argue with you. I don't want to argue with you. The answer is with. I don't want to argue with you. I suspect him dash stealing the pen. Suspect him for stealing, of stealing, over stealing, by stealing. The answer is I suspect him of stealing the pen. The prisoner was bound dash the stake. Bound with, bound of, bound to, bound at. The answer is the prisoner was bound to the stake. The answer is C, to. Bound to. Translate this passage dash English. To English, in English, into English, on English. And the answer is translate this passage into English. Translate this passage into English. The answer is C. He is now ashamed dash his conduct. Ashamed from, ashamed with, ashamed of, ashamed by. The answer is he is now ashamed of his conduct. The answer is C, of. He is now ashamed of his conduct. Please do not get angry dash me. Angry with me, angry on me, angry at me, angry towards me. And the correct answer is please do not get angry with me. Please do not get angry with me. Sana is not noun dash me. Noun to me, noun on me, noun at me, noun with me. And the correct answer is Sana is not noun to me. A. Sana is not noun to me. I am proud dash my brother. Proud with my brother, proud of my brother, proud to my brother, proud at my brother. And the answer is I am proud of my brother. I am proud of my brother. Sana was staring dash me. Staring to me, staring towards me, staring at me, staring on me. And the correct answer is Sana was staring at me. C. Sana was staring at me. I will be glad to get rid dash him. Get rid from him, get rid with him, of him, or by him. The answer is I will be glad to get rid of him. I will be glad to get rid of him. He is afraid dash dog. From dog, afraid of dog, afraid with dog, afraid to dog. He is afraid dash dog. The answer is he is afraid of dog. He is afraid of dog. The answer is B, of. He is weak dash grammar. Weak at grammar, weak in grammar, weak from grammar, weak with grammar. And the correct answer is he is weak in grammar. He is weak in grammar. The answer is in. My book is different dash yours. Different than yours, with yours, from yours, by yours. My book is different. The answer is from. My book is different from yours. I hope you people would like my video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.